You may not realize just how bad whooping cough can be. To an infant, it is a constant fight for breath that can last for an agonizing and stressful 12 weeks.
Hi, thanks for coming.
Mr. Jackson, is your wife here?
Yeah. Ruth, it's the health visitor.
To you as a parent, it is particularly harrowing having to provide constant care for your child day and night. Whooping cough is a disease that spreads easily and puts every child under 6 at risk. If you have a child under 6, talk to your doctor or health visitor about immunization against whooping cough.